Hello, what's up, Juicy Boys, Juicy Girls? And I'm back! Medyo matagal-tagal tayong hindi nagkita and matagal na upload natin. But I have something for you. As you can see, I have this box. So alam niyo na ang gagawin natin. We're going to do an unboxing. Actually, kasama to sa content natin. We're unboxing and one of my likes is buying Jordan shoes. So ngayon, meron tayong bago. And actually, it's not really that new na. Medyo matagal na rin natin ito nabili. So, let's start. Let's go! Now, we're going to unbox these shoes. And syempre, it's a Jordan shoes. This is one of my favorites. If I'm not mistaken, I got this when I was young. That's why I really like this. If meron tayong chance, you have the opportunity to buy it, then that's why I grab it. Okay, so sara natin. So ito na siya. It's a Jordan 12 Playoffs OG colorway. It's one of the original colors. This was used by the GOAT himself, Michael Jordan. He played with these shoes. And yun, that's why it's called the Playoffs. The Playoffs yung ginamit. So actually, this is one of the Jordan shoes na maganda ipanglaro. I had one before. It's the Flu Game, but medyo maliit yung size sa akin. So I had struggle with regards to the fitting. Medyo masigip, kahit sa paa. Kasi as you know, for Jordan 12, kita nyo naman, it's tumbled leather all over. And medyo matigas siya, lalo na yung sole niya hindi siya flexible, diba? But siguro dahil sa carbon fiber and also dun sa pagka-construct niya dun sa loob ng pylon. But I'm not sure. There's a lot of reviews na they're saying that this is really one of the high performing shoes, Jordan performing shoes. Yeah. But kita nyo naman yung colorway niya, ang ganda. For me, this looks like Orca, Orca colorway, black, white. Yun yung dating niya sa akin. That's why gusto ko rin to. And luckily now we have it. Ganda rin na to, may red pa dito. Actually, this is a very simple design, and that's why I like it. But you know, meron din tayong mga rubber shoes na medyo naman fancy, yung medyo yung kulay is matitingkad. So yun, nothing much to talk about naman. Herringbone traction or herringbone yung niya, design ng sole. Very makapit to. Pagdating sa court, outdoors or indoors. What I really like about this shoe is the design, the color blocking, very simple, black and white. Ganda niya tignan lalo pag nasa court ay naglalaro. Okay, basically that's it. Yeah, all leather and the materials. Medyo stiff siya compared sa lalo na doon sa mga bagong shoes ngayon. Kaya gamitin natin siya panlaro. Jordan 12 Playoffs. Very nice. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Para doon sa mga napataan lang, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Subscribe na din para sa mga ganitong contents. I still have more. There was a request to do a performance review naman dun sa 510 Adidas. So, abangan mo siya. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Peace. Bye-bye, Juicy Boys, Juicy Girls.